Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in such videos, please do consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and let's get started. Today I have some makeup recommendations that are under the price tag of 300, which is like a steal. So these are all products from well-known brands which I really like. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first product is this face mist by Plum, and this is the version for dry skin. As you can see, they also have a mattifying one, so you can purchase that if you have oily skin. But since I have a dry skin, I prefer this and I love this so much. This just hydrates my skin and really sets my makeup and melts all the powderiness. So I really like this, and this, I don't remember the price. Yeah, it's 360, but I do remember I got it for 240 rupees or something. I don't remember, but I will definitely mention the price below. Okay, so the next product is a oldie but a goodie, and lately I've seen watching so many ads on YouTube about this mascara, and this is so good, you guys. This is, I think, 300 rupees or something, but I'm sure I got it for 140 rupees on Diwali sale. But this is so good. I naturally have long lashes, but this just coats your lashes and make them voluminous, like it they just look so good in single coat. So I really like this mascara and their curling one also, but this is also good. This does not give you that curling effect, so if you want that also, you can go for the hyper curl. Okay, so the next product is also by the brand Maybelline, and I used to hate this foundation. Yeah, I was like, everybody likes it, but I don't. But the thing is, this in India is only in the mattifying version, but this is definitely this range also have a dewy version in US. I hope they will launch it in India. So this says this is for normal to oily skin, and since I have dry skin, this was not at all working for me. I hated it. But then I started using this with the concoction of my moisturizer, and it is really great. And if you have dry skin, don't set your face and don't set your foundation. They will also look really cakey and bad. So yeah, that's really help, and especially in summers I really like it because it has that mattifying effect. And for winters I will definitely not use it and will not recommend it if you have dry skin like me, but for summer this is really good. Okay, so the next product is by the brand Wet n Wild, and I really love this cord. And this is the version Petlet or something, I don't remember, but I love purples and mauve tones, and as you can see, this is a purple sort of a palette, and I really love it. Especially this transition shade is my favorite, and I do understand that you can only create like a one or two looks with it, but this is a really good handy dandy palette, especially for travel. I think this is really good. Let me swatch all the shades for you. So this is the lilac, and these are definitely nude shades, but they are really pretty. And this is the purple, and this is a buildable palette. You can definitely build the pigment, and this is just one swipe. This is the brow bone highlight, and let me just swatch my favorite and this just barely showing up on camera, but if you want something for every day, you can just put this in your crease and it just looks so pretty. And I think this is such a underrated palette. I know everybody raves the Wet n Wild one, the Rose in the Air version, but this shade is also really pretty. The only thing is, guys, they have increased the price of these palettes overall on I have seen on Amazon, like this one was 300, but I think this is 400 now. I don't know if they have increased the price. I will definitely mention the price, but Wet n Wild is always like 40% off all the time, so don't worry, you will get good deals on this one as well. And this is not the popular one, so I have seen like a 50% off on this. I have purchased this for just 150 rupees, but I highly recommend this one. Okay, so the next product are two of my favorite blush formula. Sadly, one is, you know, kind of discontinued. I don't know what is the deal with it. We will talk about it in a sec, but here are the beautiful Miss Clear brushes. These comes with so many shades. That's what I love about Miss Clear. They have such a giant, you know, shade range. You will definitely, if even if you have a deeper complexion, like, you will find a blush. And these just, I don't know, 15 or 20 how many shades they have. I have two. I have just brought here one to show you. This is the shade number 11, and as you can see, it is a pretty neutral, I don't know, yeah, from this angle you can see it is a very neutral browny pinky nude, which looks so pretty. Let me just swatch. Before that, you can see this has this beautiful flower imprints which looks so pretty, and I just, you know, use this side because I don't want to ruin the imprint. Yeah, these are blushes, but still, look at the pigment. They are awesome, you guys. Whenever I wear a blush, especially on camera, I have to layer them so much because on camera they just barely shows up, and you know, but these are really pigmented. And speaking of pigmented blush, let me grab that. So yeah, speaking of pigmented blush, sadly I was not able to find it on Nykaa. They were like out of stock. I bought it from Amazon, and these are the LA Color Red Rouge blushes, and this was like 302 rupees when I bought it. Look at the shade. It is such a pretty mauve nude shade. I really love this shade, and this is the blush I am right now wearing with another one which I will definitely include in under my 500 category because it is slightly up in the price. And let me just show you that one. So this is the green blush underneath, and on top of it I have the LA Color Red Rouge one. There's a slightly expensive, that's why I am not recommending here, but this is such a pretty cream blush, which I will talk in a later video. So this is a really pretty mauve nude shade. Let me just swatch. This is the shade Awesome, and it's a nude blush, so I'm, you know, I hope you can see. Yeah, from this you can see it's a pretty mauve nude blush. So if you want a mauve nude blush, especially with these purple eyes, that one was looking awesome. I really like, and its name is also awesome. I really like that blush. Sadly, the range is, you know, getting out of stock. I was not able to find it on Nykaa, so I think they are discontinuing this, but you can definitely buy the Miss Clear one. They are always available. Okay, so next is my favorite lipstick. This is the Maybelline Touch of Spice from their creamy matte range, and I love these lipsticks so much, you guys. This is like really creamy and matte formula. So if you have dry lips like me, as you can see, I have used it so much, and this is my favorite lipstick. I cannot live without this one. And this is again a very pretty mauve nude shade, and this is such a perfect nude for, especially for Indian skin tone, and this will not wash you out even without makeup, and it just looks so damn good. Okay, so the next one are these lip creams by Miss Claire. And back in the days when I started watching YouTube, these were all the rage. Everybody and their mother was talking about this, and this really deserved the hype. Now they have another liquid lipstick which I will try. Those are like 400 or something, but these are so good, especially if you have dry lips like me. This will be your savior. So if you are like, no, I don't like liquid lipstick, try these are really really creamy, moussey. They have a mousse like consistency. So this is the swatch, and this is the shade 47. They have so many new shades, and I will definitely make a different video swatching all of them. I have a lot of them, so I will make, definitely thinking about making a separate video dedicating swatching all the shade, and they are so good, you guys. The only thing is, if you have pigmented lips like me, they are not like opaque, and if you layer them, they can look, like too what we will call crumbly or short. So I will recommend applying a lip liner and then apply them, then they look so pretty. And I will definitely make a video about lip liner as well, so stay tuned for that, by the way. So this is this range is like amazing. I'm not talking about particular shades in this video, I'm just recommending you makeup that are under that price tag and that are awesome. So yeah. Okay, so the last product is this beautiful makeup fixer, and this is Blue Heaven long lasting makeup fixer dewy glow look silk matte effect. And this stuff is really good. As you can see, I have just bought it, but look at it, how much I have used it. I have also used to wet this eyeshadow, and this makeup fixer is really good. I don't like applying makeup fixer because they have alcohol and they smell like alcohol, and they are just bad, and they are not good if you have dry skin like me. But this stuff is really really good, you guys. This does not smell like alcohol, so I am hoping that this does not have alcohol. Don't quote me on that, I don't know. But this does not have like a dewy glow, but definitely you can see my skin is not looking Sahara Desert dry, it's not looking matte. So I really like using this fixer all the time when I apply makeup, and I must say that this is a really underrated product. I have not seen many YouTubers talking about this. This really locks your makeup, gives a silky matte finish as it says, and I really recommend this one. So yeah. So yeah, that's it, pretty much it for this video. I hope you would like this video. If you do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.